Now children, study of some bond-like structures and condensed formula. What is the difference between molecular formula, condensed formula and bond-like formula? In molecular formula, what is written? Total number of atoms of each type. Right? For example, ethane. Ethane molecular formula is C2H6. Right? Second form is condensed. Right? Condensed means reduced form. For long chain of hydrocarbon. For example, this product or hexane. Hexane is CH3, CH2, CH2, CH2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 CH. This is hexane. Right? 6 carbon atoms are present. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right? Condensed form. Condensed formula of this normal hexane. This is the straight chain of hydrocarbon. Condensed formula is CH3. Terminal side. CH3 group left hand side, right hand side. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. CH2, hold 4, CH3. This is condensed form. Right? Reduced form. You can verify this structure. This formula is correct or not. Total 6 carbon atoms are present here. In this hexane, 4, 5 and 6. This is 6 carbon containing condensed formula. Right? And bond line means in bond line structure of any compound or bond line formula of any compound, carbon and hydrogen atoms are not shown. Side chain of alkyl group of methyl group is shown by single vertical line. Right? Okay children. For example, bond line for this hexane, normal hexane. Side chain is absent. How many CH2 groups are present in normal hexane? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is bond line formula of normal hexane. Normal means straight chain. Side branches absent. Okay children? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Each peak is showing CH2 group. And this left hand side terminal is showing CH3. The right hand side terminal free end is also showing CH3. Okay children? This is the difference between condensed formula, bond line formula and structural formula. In structural formula, complete structural formula, all bonds are shown with hydrogen and carbon atoms. But in bond line, without showing carbon and hydrogen atoms. This is showing CH2. This P is showing CH2. But CH2 is not written here. Okay children? Now, condensed formula for this compound. Short form or reduced form. OH alcoholic group is present here. Then condensed formula is written like this: OH. 1, 2, 3. CH2 whole thrice. Then CH. Then this CH3 group is present as branch. This is written in bracket. It means present as branch. CH3, then CH. This one is again present as branch, and the right hand side is also CH3. Okay children? This is condensed form or reduced form of this compound. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay children, this is condensed form of this compound. Right? And what is its complete structure formula? Complete structure like this. See. This is condensed form. This is complete structural form. Right? Bonds are shown with atoms, carbon and hydrogen atoms. If functional group is present, then functional group also, which is OH group. Okay children? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Complete verification. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. This is 8 carbon containing system. How many branches are present? 2 branches. 1 and 2. Right? 1 and 2. Right, children? Complete structure, condensed form. And this is long form. Now, I am coming to second is bond line. Structural formula or bond 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, children? Bond line, only functional group is shown here, which is OH group. Right? This OH group is attached with this C. This is C. This is C. CH2. OH group is attached with the CH2 group. This peak is showing CH2. CH2, CH2. 3 CH2 groups. 1, 2, 3. This is C. This is C. Carbon. Then methyl group is attached. This vertical line is showing methyl group. Again, bonding between this carbon and this carbon. This carbon and this carbon. This is side chain, side chain. And last CH3 is a free end or terminal site. Okay, children, total 8 carbon atoms are present in this structure also. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We can verify like this. Now, next is cyanide group containing. Right? Cyanide and alcoholic group. Cyanohydrin. Right? Cyano means cyano group, OH group is also present. Then condensed form of this compound. This one is OH, CH and CN whole twice. Reduced form. Condensed form is reduced form. CN, CN. Here what is written? CN whole twice. This is CH, CH. OH group. OH is attached with this C. OH is attached with this C. This is condensed formula. Okay. Now, children, bond line for this. Second product. Cyanide group. This is carbon. Right? And again, cyanide group. And OH is attached. Either downward or upward. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. This is a carbon of functional group, not of pure hydrocarbon. Right? This is bond line structure of this cyanide and OH group containing compound. Okay, children? Now next one. Is carboxylic group containing 1, 2, 3, 4. Butanoic acid. Okay, children? Structure of butanoic acid, which is 4 carbon containing. First, condensed formula CH3, CH2 whole twice, and then functional group condensed CH2, CH2. Right? What is written here? Whole twice. Total 1, 2, 3, 4 carbon atoms are present. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Now bond line without showing carbon and hydrogen atoms. Of hydrocarbon. One, two, 1, 2. This is functional group. You can show like this. Okay, children? COOH. This is COOH. CH2, CH2. Second CH2, second. And this is free end of CH3. Terminal site. This This is bond line structure of butanoic acid. Okay children. Now fourth compound, IUPAC name is given here. Note this formula, long form of formulas. What is chlorocyclohexane? Chlorocyclohexane, your functional group is halogen, which is Cl. Cyclo means ring structure, hex means 6 carbon, ane means single bonded. Okay children. First of all, draw structure for word root. Here word root is hexane. Word root means showing total number of carbon atoms. Hex. No extra peak. Extra peak indicates CH3 group. Like this. Special care children in this drawing. Right. Structure of compound cyclohexachloro. Right. Chlorocyclohexane, bond line structure of this chlorocyclohexane. Cyclo, again ring structure, close structure. This is cyclo. Pent means 5. Pent indicates 5 carbon. And ane means single bond. Right. At each carbon, 2 hydrogen atoms are attached. CH2, 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 CH2. Its molecular formula is C5H10 and molecular formula of this chlorocyclohexane is C6, right? Then 2 hydrogen like this, C6, this 6 carbon, this is hydrogen. How many hydrogen atoms? 2 plus 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11, right? C6H11 and then Cl. Molecular formula of this chlorocyclohexane. But in bond line, these side branches indicate presence of CH3, not hydrogen. Okay, children? Now next is complete structural formula of which compound? Hexanoic acid. Structural. Complete structure, it means bonding structure. Compound is hexanoic acid. Hexanoic acid. Okay, children? Hexanoic. How many carbon atoms? 6, including carbon of carboxyl group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then like this. H, 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 H. This is hydrocarbon. Presence of carbon and hydrogen. And this is functional group OH. Complete structural formula of hexanoic acid. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 hex. OIC carboxyl group. Right? And carbon is tetravalent. 1, 2, 3, 4 in each case. Hydrogen monovalent. 1, 1 bonding. Right? 1 bond with hydrogen. Oxygen doubly bonded. Means oxygen can form 2 bonds. This is double bonded oxygen. And this oxygen is forming 2 single bonds. 1 bond with hydrogen. Okay children? You can verify like this. Bonding or complete structural formula is correct or not. Now children, some short answer questions for practice which are based on condensed formula and bond line formula. Right? Condensed formula means reduced form, and bond line, in bond line formula or bond line structures, carbon and hydrogen atoms are not shown. Right? First compound is butane 2 or but2ene. How many carbon atoms are present in but? 4. E means presence of double bond and 2 indicates presence of double bond at second carbon. Okay children, this structure of butane 2, 1, 2, 3, 4 or 1, 2, 3, 4. IUPAC name, scientific name is butane 2. Its condensed form. How many CH units are present in butane 2? 2. What is written here? CH whole twice. Right? Total 4 carbon atoms are present. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? This is condensed form. Now, bond line structure or bond line formula of butane 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 carbon atoms are present and this double bond is present at second carbon. Right? 1, 2, 3, 4. This is butane 2. Bond line structure of butane 2. This line is showing double bond. Okay children? How many CH groups are present between two CH3 groups? Only 2. Right? This is one CH. This is second CH. Carbon is tetravalent. Right? 1, 2, 3 valencies with carbon atom with how many carbon atoms? 2. And fourth valency with hydrogen, which is not shown in its structure, in its bond line structure. Again C 1, 2, 3 and fourth valency with hydrogen. Okay children. Second compound is 2,2,4 trimethyl pentane. Children, you know how to write IUPAC name of ketone or unsaturated system, IUPAC name of alkene, alkyne, OH group containing product, right? Second product is pure hydrocarbon, right? Functional group is absent. 2,2,4 trimethyl pentane. How many carbon atoms are present in this hydrocarbon? In main chain 5. Pentane is 5. A means single bonded system. 2, 2, 4. It means at second carbon 2 methyl groups are present. At fourth carbon 1 methyl group is present. Then what is the numerical prefix? 2, 2, 4. Right? Which is showing number of carbon atoms. And tri for 3 numbers of CH3 groups. Right? Then its condensed formula is like this. 1, 2, 3. CH3 whole thrice. C, CH2. CH2, CH3 whole twice. Total, how many carbon atoms are present in this compound? 8. Pentane is 5 and tryme is 3. 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. Now children, verify this condensed formula is correct or not. 3 plus 1, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now bond line for this condensed form CH3 whole twice. 2 CH3 groups are present as branches. 2 branches of CH3 groups at same carbon, which is second carbon. Like this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for pentane. And at left hand side you can show at right hand side also, but according to this bond line structure at left hand side, right, left hand side second carbon 2 methyl groups are present. This one particle is showing 1 methyl, second particle second methyl. Okay, equal distance of each. Only single vertical line, it means 1 methyl, 2 vertical lines, it means 2 methyl groups. Okay children, second carbon. Then at fourth carbon, 1 more methyl group is present. 2, 2, 4, trimethyl. Same alkyl groups. 2, 2, 4, 1, 2, 3. Right? Trimethyl and then pentane. Pentane. Single bonded system. Only single bonds are present between carbon and carbon atoms. Okay children, condensed formula and bond line of this compound. Third is hexanal. Hex means 6 carbon, L, aldehyde group is present. Hexanal. Right? Now, condensed formula of hexanal, CH3. Right? then CH2 whole 4 and then CHO. This is functional group. Total 6 carbon atoms are present, 4, 5 and 6. Then bond line for this. How many CH2 groups? 2 CH2 groups are present. Then how many peaks are drawn? For its bond line structure, 4 peaks, right? 1, 2, 3. Okay, children? Right hand side CHO group is present. This is the structure of CHO. CHO. Then total carbon atoms 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right? What is written here? Hexenal. Functional group is aldehyde. Okay, children? Difference is clear between condensed formula and bond line formula. Okay. Now, next compound is pentane. 2 pentane is 5 carbon in system single bond rate and 2 all suffix is written for ketone. Pentanone 2. Pentanone 2 or 2 pentanone. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. First of all, verify number of carbon atoms. 5 carbon atoms are present. How many CH2 groups? 2. CH2 whole twice. It means in its bond line formula, how many peaks are required? 2. 2 peaks for 2 CH2 groups. Okay, children? This is the bond line structure of this pentanone 2. Pentanone 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 carbon atoms. At second carbon, ketone group is present. Right? Ketone group is CO. CO group is ketone group. Okay, children? Next one is hexanol. Suffix is ol. Ol indicates OH group, alcoholic group. Condensed formula of hexanol. Total 6 carbon atoms are present. At second carbon, OH group is present. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Correct? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In main chain, 6 carbon atoms are present and at second carbon, OH group is present. This is the bond line structure of hexanol 2. If hexanol 3 is given, then attach OH group at third carbon. Isomeric form of hexanol 2. Right? Hexanol 1, then attach OH group at first carbon. Okay, children? This is the difference between condensed formula and bond line structure. Total 5 compounds, 5 condensed formula. This is condensed, right? Short form, reduced form. Not this one. This is showing bond, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.